Toyota's CEO has introduced a groundbreaking, high-performance engine that could potentially revolutionize the EV industry. As the world accelerates toward electrification, the question arises, will this innovation be ready for commercialization by 2026? How strong are its technical merits? Or could these bold claims about its power be overstated? Join us as we delve into Toyota's CEO's statement. Our new engine signals the end of the entire EV industry. Before diving into these startling claims, it's essential to understand some background about Toyota's CEO and the early stages of his career. In its infancy, Toyota's engine development was marked by simplicity and high efficiency. Who would have thought that such straightforward engines could outperform more complex, competitive designs? Today, Toyota's evolution is impressive, shaking the entire car industry awake. Did you know that during World War II, Toyota primarily produced standard-sized trucks for the Army? After the war, the company began to diversify and advance its engine technology. Hey, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. With this solid foundation in automotive engineering, how can any car surpass Toyota's current sophisticated and efficient designs? But who exactly is Toyota's CEO, and how did the company earn its reputation? Keep watching to learn more. Toyota's CEO is the great-grandson of Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Automatic Loom Works, and the grandson of Kiichiro Toyoda, the founder of Toyota Motor Corporation. Born on May 3, 1956, in Nagoya to Shoichiro Toyoda and Hiroko Namitsui, he earned an undergraduate degree in law from Keio University and a Master of Finance from Babson College in Massachusetts. In January 2009, he was announced as the next president of Toyota. He officially took on the role on June 23, 2009. Along with 4 new executive vice presidents and 8 new board members. The former president and CEO, Katsuaki Watanabe, transitioned to vice chairman, succeeding Katsuhiro Nakagawa. In 2012, he was named Autocar's Man of the Year. Toyota's mega branding. In 1936, Toyota entered the passenger car market with its Model AA and held a competition to establish a new logo emphasizing speed for its new product line. After receiving 27,000 entries, one was selected, which additionally resulted in a change of its moniker to Toyota from the family name Toyota, which means rice paddy. The new name was believed to sound better, and its 8-stroke count in the Japanese language was associated with wealth and good fortune. The original logo was a heavily stylized version of the katakana characters for Toyota. As the company started to expand internationally in the late 1950s, the katakana character logo was supplemented by various word marks with the English form of the company name in all capital letters. Toyota. Toyota introduced a worldwide logo in October 1989 to commemorate the 50th year of the company and to differentiate it from the newly released luxury Lexus brand. The logo consists of 3 ovals that combine to form the letter T, which stands for Toyota. Toyota says that the overlapping of the 2 perpendicular ovals inside the larger oval represents the mutually beneficial relationship and trust between the customer and the company, while the larger oval surrounding both of these inner ovals represents the global expansion of Toyota's technology and unlimited potential for the future. The new logo started appearing on all printed material, advertisements, dealer signage, and most vehicles in 1990. The Toyota Way is a set of principles and behaviors that underlie the company's approach to management and production. Further defined as the Toyota Production System, Toyota still uses the katakana character logo as its corporate emblem in Japan, including on the headquarters building, and some special edition models still use the Toyota wordmark on the grille as a nod to the company's heritage. On July 15, 2015, the company was delegated its own generic top-level domain. The company has been developing its corporate philosophy since 1948 and passing it on as implicit knowledge to new employees. But as the company expands globally, leaders officially identified and defined the Toyota Way in 2001. Toyota summarized it under 2 main pillars: continuous improvement and respect for people. Under the continuous improvement pillar are 3 principles: challenge, which forms a long-term vision; kaizen, which forms a continual improvement process; and genchi genbutsu, which means go and see the process to make correct decisions. Under the respect for people pillar are 2 principles: respect and teamwork. After developing the Toyota production system in its own facilities, the company began teaching the system to its parts suppliers. In the 1990s, other companies were interested in the instruction. and Toyota later started offering training sessions. The company also donated the training to non-profit groups to increase their efficiency and thus their ability to serve people. Why was hydrogen integrated into the development of Toyota cars? The crux of Toyota's innovation lies in the use of hydrogen as a fuel for combustion engines. Unlike hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles like the Toyota Mirai, which generate electricity through a chemical reaction, hydrogen internal combustion engines, HICEs, burn hydrogen directly in a manner akin to gasoline engines. This direct combustion method has a unique advantage, which is its production of almost zero CO2 emissions. The only significant byproducts are trace amounts of engine oil burned during driving and some nitrogen oxides due to the intake of oxygen from the air. However, these emissions are considerably lower compared to traditional internal combustion engines. If you've ever considered the performance capabilities of an engine running on hydrogen, you should also know that it's because of its robust engine design. Toyota modified its 1.6L turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, commonly found in models like the GR Yaris and GR Corolla, to accommodate hydrogen fuel. This included the integration of a robust fuel tank for high-pressure hydrogen storage and a re-engineered fuel supply and injection system. Interestingly, hydrogen combustion occurs faster than petrol, offering the potential for a highly responsive engine, a trait particularly beneficial in motorsport applications. Toyota has been proactive in testing and refining this technology in the demanding environment of motorsports. The Corolla Sport race car, equipped with a hydrogen-powered G16E GTS race engine, has demonstrated impressive performance metrics. This rapid combustion rate of hydrogen provides a more responsive race engine experience, proving that hydrogen can be a viable alternative fuel source for high-performance applications. Currently, the hydrogen markets in Europe, China, and North America will be the world's largest by 2030. The fuel cell market is also expected to expand rapidly towards that point, reaching a value of 5 trillion yen, approximately £5.7 billion per year. The Toyota company is currently promoting external sales of fuel cells using the Mirai's hydrogen units, and they are set to receive whopping offers of 100,000 unit sales by 2030, most of which would be for commercial vehicles.